I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new Instant Pot recipe, and it's Instant Pot ground beef stroganoff. It sounds like it'll be a winner, and I hope it is. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started.
For this recipe, I'll need 1 pound of ground beef, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a 1/3 cup of chopped onion, a clove of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm using plain. It calls for 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, but my family has allergies to mushrooms, so I'm using cream of chicken. We've got 2½ cups of beef broth, 8 ounces of egg noodles, and 3/4 cup of sour cream. First of all, I'm going to spray my Instant Pot, and I'm going to cut it on sauté and let it turn hot. Once my Instant Pot's hot, I'm going to add in my ground beef and my seasonings and brown it. Once my meat was browned, I drained off most of the grease, and I'm going to add in my garlic and my onion, and I'm going to cook that for just a couple of minutes before adding in everything but the sour cream. Now that I got everything in my pot, I'm going to add my lid, make sure it's on sealing, and set it for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes were up, I let the pressure come down naturally for about 10 minutes. And any pressure that's left, just turn your knob and let the pressure come out. And now you just want to stir in your sour cream. And this is what it looks like, and it was really good. My whole family enjoyed it, but especially my husband. He definitely wants it again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.